Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this product. QubitPulse Dream Earplugs for a better sleeping comfort. 26 decibel SNR noise reduction with soft silicone earbud design. These are earplugs with a patented Eartips, Eartips, and carry case. Reusable earplugs for sleep, for the work, for the focus, for study. And it's available in black, in beige, in mint, and violet. Top. This is really cool. That means we have here redefine comfort for your sleep. The sleep like ever before with the QubitPulse Dream earplugs for sleeping with ergonomic features. Crafted for side sleepers. These Qufits ear tips are designed for offering maximum comfort all night long and stay securely in place while we rest. We have a secure switch handle. The twist lock on into the ear hollow for a secure fit with that. Then we have a patented angle, the optimized fit and redistribution pressure. And we have there the customized memory fold. This adapts for a custom fit and a plush sealed comfort. And the patented hollow core with 360 degrees pressure relief for all night comfort. This is designed for side sleepers because these earplugs for sleeping is a noise cancelling system. This ensures comfort for side sleepers by eliminating pressure on our ears, allowing us to sleep comfortably all night long. Not only a couple of hours, you can sleep a lot of time. It's made from gentle skin-friendly materials that comply with the strict global safety criteria. QubitPulse Dream earplugs are ideal for sensitive ears, of course. This brings us into a quiet sleep. The earplugs for sleeping noise cancelling muffle unwanted sounds like snoring, traffic, neighbor activities, pets, and household helping us all night sleep and wake up refreshed after a long time of sleeping time. Because of the ergonomic design for a secure fit, it will bring us to a new level. The QubitPulse Dream earplugs features an ergonomic design that fits naturally into our ear channel for a secure, comfortable seal that prevents the slippage even during movement. So we have to twist it. We are going to get it into place, as you can see. And then, it's suggested to wear if the lever is looking backward. So rotate it from the upper side to the backwards position. Then it will be locked onto your ears. And it's cool for sleep, for travel, for study, and while you're working. This all brings us joy with the QubitPulse Dream earplugs for sleeping. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!